How to fix keyboard issues in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to open Settings. For that, right click on the Start icon, click Settings. Once the settings appear, click Accessibility on the side toolbar. Scroll down, navigate to Keyboard. Locate on-screen keyboard and make sure to toggle the button on if it is turned off. Then on-screen keyboard will appear, which will help when your physical keyboard is not working well for temporary use. And now you need to click on Windows search icon at bottom left corner and search for Run. Using this virtual keyboard, click on Enter and a box appears where you have to type in Res Edit and click on OK button and now click on Yes button. Now the registry editor window appears where you need to locate H key machine and you have to expand it using the side arrow. Now you need to expand system. Scroll down and navigate to control set a current control set folder. Again expand it and expand services folder. Now here you need to scroll down and search for i8 photo PRT folder. And now you need to choose the parameters folder between this. Or you can even choose enum folder too. And here you will get different options. So let's open this folder first of all. And here you will get the Start button. You simply need to right click on Start. Now you need to click on Modify option. And here you need to change the value data to 1 and click on OK button. And then after modifying the registry, you need to simply close the window. And once you're done with that, you need to restart your system. Your keyboard issue will be fixed now. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.